Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Now, have you ever heard of these companies which they they build for you? They give you a land, so you buy, you deposit some little money, then they start building for you. So after you have done with the payment, and they have also built the houses, then you can now get your title deed and everything. Or alternatively, if you have a land, so you go and deposit the money with them, then they do the constructions for you, so that you don't have to struggle with the fundis and all those the nitty-gritties of the building and constructions. Yeah, so there's another one here. I'm in Kitengela, and it's really hot. You can see I went to buy some water. So I want to show you, I just want to know if they can give me access. I want to show you these houses. So apparently these houses, these people, he had a land. Now instead of selling the land and subdividing the land, then selling to people, he decided he's subdividing, and also he built. So it was like, it's kind of a gated community where you have your own compound and your own houses, and people who liked the idea, and they contributed money to him, and he started the constructions. Not all of them have done, some of them have not been done. Now I will just want to see if these people can give me the access, because people have moved in, but apparently now the problem with these companies, they are not sincere. So let me also give you a scenario of a friend of mine. He's also one of my subscribers, and I know he'll see this. He actually was telling me that he wanted to go that route. He wanted to just find a company, then he will deposit money because he has acquired a land, so that those people can build for him. He don't want to be involved in the construction because he doesn't understand a lot of things, and he doesn't want to be messed up with the technicians and those kind of issues that we all know. Now, this is the reason why, to me, sometimes I don't believe on these things, on these people, because like this one, this guy had to lure many people, and many people deposited the money in the account and everything. And before even the houses were completed, he vanished. He went away with all the money the people acquired. But he managed to build a few houses, and they were left unfinished. So some of them, some people had to move in even before they are completely done. So they are finishing on their own. But the guy went missing. He is nowhere to be seen. And again, he used a cheap material. Like if you see the roofings, they were done with different these cheap companies. So they are less than I think they are less than 2 years, but all the houses have started fading. The iron sheets have started fading. Let me just see if they can give me access where I go see what they have done inside, and also I will just show you. So let me talk to these guys and see if they will allow me in. If they allow me in, I'll see what they have done, what they have not done, and how many people have also moved in, and also get the story behind this. If I can get some few people who can agree to be interviewed, or maybe if they can narrate to me the story, because I have not heard from one-on-one with those who are victims of this situation. So let me talk to them, then I'll get back to you. So this is a continuation of the video I did yesterday. You remember I wanted to show you the houses which were being built. Someone collected the money from people, and it was supposed to build for them the houses. So I went there. There was no one at the gate. The gate was closed, and I didn't access the property. So then I went again in the evening, and it was still locked. So there is no gate man. There's no one managing the gate, and it's locked from the inside. Though people are staying inside, and I think I'll just get time and check on it again, because so by now today I'm not around. I travel overnight, so well, I travel overnight. Let me show you where I am. So I travel overnight to my village. I have some functions I need to do. So this is just just the small path route within the area. So I'm just want to access it. Really rained yesterday night, and this is why it's very muddy, and I'm not going far away from here. So far, that's what have been happening. So that's what happened yesterday, and I will go back and also just try to seek for more information about that project. So the main reason why I was doing this video, it was that I just wanted to inform people that don't trust these guys so much. Those guys who are coming up with good ideas and good way to make people access houses, or maybe have these affordable houses. Some of them are a scam. So if you are planning to do that, maybe do your due diligence, and be sure that whatever you are going to involve in is not a scam, and you will get the value of your money, and you'll get your houses you are looking for. But otherwise, a lot of people have lost money in such kind of deals, which are not materializing at the end of the day, because those people will try to make sure they gather maximum amount of money equivalent to the property and beyond. Then they vanish. You will never see them again. So I've seen such cases a lot, and it's just good to tell people what is good and what is bad. If you talk to people like me, not only me, but some other people, they will help you do this kind of project without a problem. If you want to build a house, you have a land, or they will help you do that. So be very careful with such things. So until then, see you in the next one. Thank you.